What if your next career move wasn't just a promotion, but a transformation into global leadership? The Global Executive MBA from London School of Business is designed for professionals ready to step into senior leadership roles. It's not just a degree, it's a career upgrade, live online sessions across time zones, or intensive on-campus learning, including 2 weeks in London. Built for working professionals, this program lets you study while you work, combining real experience with advanced business knowledge. You'll master leadership, strategy, finance, and decision-making on a global level. With flexible learning and practical application, you'll solve real business challenges, including a final project based on real-world scenarios. Graduates move into roles like managers, consultants, directors, and entrepreneurs, growing within their industries or stepping into new ones. This isn't just about learning business. It's about becoming the leader the world demands. Join us or visit our website for more information.